the game Dead by Daylight. Oh, this car is gonna get pulled over.
Better give him space. Don't be next. Although if you're streaming on Twitch, now'd be a good time to hit record.
NewYorkDashCam on you. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah,
Good.
on a 45 mile an hour.
Whoa, 45? Hope you weren't on the interstate.
Not me. Some other car going fast. He's doing like 65 on the 40, or 75 on the 45.
Yikes. That guy's begging for a ticket. Or worse.
Exactly.
Cops are...
Cops are what?
probably grabbing donuts right now. Worst timing ever.
KXC7717. That's a New York plate? Bugging. Not like that.